Everyone, welcome to another Miroverse video. In this video, we'll take a look at one interesting template that I've made, which is available on the Miroverse page, on my Miroverse page. It's called the Effort Reward Matrix. Now, everything rewarding takes a little bit of an effort, but it's not always proportionate. So it's really good to visualize what effort needs to be put into a certain activity and how much reward will it give you. So, this matrix composes of four aspects. One is the high effort but low reward category. Something takes high effort but gives you low reward. Then something that takes low effort but also gives you low reward. And then on the right, we have something that takes low effort and gives you high reward. And then, of course, on the far right, top right, we have high effort and high reward. So you might want to just make a note of all the activities, all the things that you will want to do, and then categorize them in these four boxes so that you know that when you're putting in the effort in a certain activity towards a certain activity, how much reward can you expect for the effort that you put in? So that is the effort versus reward matrix. This page is on my Miroverse profile. So I'll put a link to this template in the description below. And of course, you can check out all the other templates that I've made. So do let me know what do you think of this template once you've had a chance to use it. And also feel free to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for many more videos to come. So thanks for watching. See you in another video. Bye.